All right, please put your first and last name up at the top in the right-hand corner. And let's also put fifth period. And the title of our warm-up today, I guess we should put the date too, right? This is the 15th, Beware the Ides of May. And the title of our warm-up today is Factor Pairs, and you will definitely want a calculator for this. So I'm going to give you a number, and you're going to write all of factor pairs of that number, and I'll walk you through. This is a really simple process if you've got a calculator. We're basically going to start at 1, and we're going to keep going until we see a repeat. That's sort of the cheat code to it. So start at 1, keep going until you see a repeat. So let's start with a relatively simple one. Write the number 24, put a line underneath it, leave some space over it, and we're going to write all the factor pairs for 24. So we start with 1. 1 times what? What can you multiply 1 by to get 24? Easiest question of the day. 1 times 24 is 24. All right, does 2 go into 24? It sure does. 2 is a factor of 24. 2 times what? 2 times 12 is 24. Now, if you didn't know that, this is where you would grab your calculator, and you'll need to do this for some of the bigger numbers, but if you didn't know that, you would just type 24 divided by 2, and you'd see, oh, that's not a decimal. There we go, 2 times 12, okay? Does 3 go into 24? Yep, 3 times 8. Does 4 go into 24? Yep, 4 times what? 4 times 6. Does 5 go into 24? If I divide 24 by 5, I get a decimal, which means it's not a factor, so we don't list 5. And then the next thing after 5 is 6, but we've already got 6 in our list, so that means we're done. So once we see a repeat, we are finished. These are all of the factors of 24. Okay? So our goal is just to write all of the different ways we can multiply two numbers to get 24. Let's do one more together. We're going to do 40. We always start with 1 and work our way up. Does 1 go into 40? Yeah, 1 goes into everything. 1 times 40. How about 2? 2 times what? 2 times 20. How about 3? Does 3 go into 40? Nope, we'll skip it. How about 4? Yes, 4 times 10. How about 5? 5 times 8. How about 6? Does 6 go into 40? 40 divided by 6 is a decimal, so that doesn't work. 7? No. 8 is a repeat, which means we're finished. Now, they're not always going to have 4 sets of factors like these two. Some of them are going to have more. I'm going to give you some other numbers I want you to work through for the rest of our warm-up here. So could you guys do 32 and 96? And what was the one I came up with earlier that's got a million of them? There we go. 120. All right, so that's your warm-up for today. Go ahead and write out those factor pairs, and then I'm going to come around and check your assignment while you're doing that.